55% of Americans say they would rather renovate their home instead of purchasing a new home or staying in their same one as it is. So, renovations have become a lot more popular in the last few years, and not just because of HGTV or Joanna and Chip, but there's so many DIY channels on YouTube and everywhere that you can find that help you learn how to remodel your own space. And it's become a trend. So, younger generations are looking to remodel their space based on their own aesthetic. And younger generations are creative. They have all these plans and ideas. And I love some of the colorful and fun spaces we see when they remodel. And our older generations are really looking to update their homes. So they've bought homes that are good, strong, structurally built homes, and they just want to update those and keep it current. So we offer several different things at Cross Country Mortgage to help in this scenario. We do have a renovation purchase loan. That is, if you find an older home or any home, it doesn't have to be older, it could be 5 years old. If it's not to your aesthetic or you want to put in a pool or it needs something done, you can do a renovation loan for that. So there's different options for different things that we need. But you can buy that home and all of that renovation cost is bundled into it. So it's going to look at the after renovation value of the home, and that's what we're going to base the loan on. And then we have a refinance renovation. So if you're living in a current home, you love it. The space is amazing. The outdoor area is something you just can't find every day, but you really need an update to fit what you're looking for to make it your dream home. We do a refinance on that as well, where we can bundle the cost into that and refinance your home. Now, if you're someone who's worried about that rate long term on your home payment or your total payment, then we do have a HELOC that we do as well. A HELOC, your normal mortgage payment would stay at your current interest rate, and the HELOC is like a second lien. So it would be at a current interest rate right now, but you would take out a draw to do the renovation that you want to do in the house, and then you would have time to pay that back. And all that's set during when you open the HELOC, like how long do you want to repay it and all that. HELOC's different in that as you take out a draw, whenever you do, it's going to be set at that interest rate. So if you took out a $10,000 HELOC just to do some updates to your kitchen, it would be at a higher interest rate than your regular mortgage, but you might pay it off in like 10 to 15 years, whatever you think that you want to pay it off in, or shorter. And then it would be gone. So it wouldn't affect your total overall mortgage cost. So just some ideas there, knowing that the housing market is low inventory right now and demand is high. There's options out there for everybody. So if you love that cute little cottage house down the street, but it's a little bit older and needs some repair, I've seen some amazing pictures of what our company has done with some homes for our clients, and it's just beautiful. The total, just taking a house that's been abandoned and neglected and just turning it into something beautiful and dream home is something that I love seeing. So if you're interested, definitely call me. We can get started on that, okay?